Crease, you mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Every time you leave me, I never know what to say. It never seems to go our way. Oh, but every time you see me, know that I'm still the same. This distance gets so rare. 'Cause every time you come around, I feel so good, so good, so good, so good. Every time you leave, I wish you never would. You would. I just wanna tell you that you make me feel at home. I don't ever want you feeling like you are alone. We got something good, don't we? With my head rest, bed set, lying, doing nothing out the blue, don't we? Go together like two peas in a pod. No, my love is no facade. I love to hear just how you're feeling. Love to dive into your heart. Take me under, pull me up, and then we flying through the stars. Every time it's like magic just being with you. Every day is just a blessing when I see you. 'Cause every time you come around, I feel so